Hi, welcome to PaidToday, how to create a product. First thing we need to do is click on the products tab on the left here. And then we will go ahead and click on the create new product on the top right. And let's give our product a title. And a description. And then we're going to go ahead and set the price, and we'll just say $35. And we've got the inventory of 25. And then we will go ahead and choose our logo. And I don't have any in there, so I'm going to search. We'll just search for some hats and see what we got. And we'll go ahead and choose that one, and then we'll do the same thing for the cover. Okay, so is purchasable under the product options here. This is to, like, if you need to turn a product on or off, like you don't want any more purchases from customers, you can go ahead and you can turn that off. But in this case, we want to make it purchasable. And is it taxable? Yes, we're going to charge tax on it. And does it require shipping? And yes, we're going to require shipping. And we'll set a flat fee of, let's say, $5. And then show in the marketplace. This will determine if this product will be shown from your client portal. So anybody that logs into your customer portal or your client portal through your website will be able to see these products and purchase from in there. If this is a PaidToday specific product, such as a project or a website template that you've created, that will show up in the PaidToday marketplace. In that same setting, we'll determine that if you want to show that. So yeah, we want to show that in the client portal. If you have a YouTube sales video or a sales video for this product, you will paste it in here, copy the embed URL from YouTube and paste that there. We'll go ahead and we'll do that right now. And now that we got that in there, we'll go ahead and click save. And we can see that our new hat product is created. And then why don't we take a look at what it looks like inside of the client portal. So we'll switch on over. Okay, so we've logged into our businesses through our business website into the client portal. And we can see we've got our products turned on in the portal options. So go ahead and click that, and we can see our new hat product is here and available. So if I was a customer and I was searching through your portal, I can go ahead and here and click that. And here's the sales video we chose, we put in, and we can watch that with it. We've got our product description and the specs on it, and then I can go ahead and I can make the purchase if I like. And so why don't we go ahead and do that. And I'm in a dev environment, so this is now purchased. As we can see up here in our order history, we can do my products, and you can see that the hat has been purchased. And we can also check out our purchases list here if we want to see the payment receipts and things like that.